All right, so I want to get a video of this. You just keep going. What does it feel like?
It feels like I'm on Lake Vermilion.
Well, that's a good thing. How does the knee feel?
The knee feels fine.
Okay.
It doesn't hurt it.
Yeah, and the range of motion looks great. You know, so while you're doing this, we're obviously flexing the knee, extending the knee, but we're also getting the ankle motion, the hip motion. If you were to decide to have hip surgery in the future, the idea behind this is that it improves the health of the muscles, the connective tissue, it improves circulation, it kind of works on the body's natural movement. So we call it triple joint extension. The hip, knee, and ankle have to work together. This is what you'd be doing if you were picking something up off the floor. This is what you'd be doing if you were walking up or down stairs. So this is a really functional motion that all comes together in the form of rowing. Let's do about 3 or 4 minutes. I'll watch the clock on the wall.